Hey guys, it's Erica, and today I'm here to share with you my very first Lauren Phelps design subscription box. So she offers this box in 7 different sizes, and they come as a monthly kit, so you can subscribe. And I do have a coupon code LPD Erica for 10% off if you guys want to sign up. I'll also include the link down below. This is actually my first box and the first time I've ever gotten it. I did get the digital kit as well. So I already made some stuff out of the digital kit, but then I also got the physical box, which includes all of the papers and die cuts and all the extras, which you don't get in a digital kit, obviously, because you can't download a paper clip or a pen. So I wanted to show you what I got in the box and do my very first unboxing of the products and show you guys what's all included. The box that I have is the DIY box. You can select it for specific sizes, like if you have a Hobonichi or if you have like an A6, a TN, or a B6 rings. Like all the different sizes are out there and available. So if you have a specific planner you want to get a size for where everything's pre-cut, there's always that option. But for me, I have the DIY since I have so many planner sizes. But look at all this gorgeousness. So this card actually came on the inside, and it tells you all the things that come in the kit. So in this kit, we've got the 8.5 by 11 double-sided papers, vellum, and acetate. You also get 3 rolls of washi tape, 10, 15, and 20 millimeter. You get the exclusive rose gold crystal pen. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so pretty and so shiny. Then you also get the coordinating 3x4 post-it brand notepad, which is this beautiful guy right here with the butterflies. And then we also get journaling cards and then die cut set. Then you also get some cascading page markers, set of 3. Then you get the mini sticker kit. It's a 4-page kit. Then you also get a plastic washi card. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Are you guys like me? I use washi cards as decorative things. I don't actually put washi on them. And then the dangle clip, which is from Lily and Lola Co. Oh my gosh, how stunning is that? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's got the butterfly, the rose gold theme, and the celestial garden with the rose. Stunning. So anyway, let's go ahead and go through all of these papers so you guys can see what they look like, how many I got in them, and let's look at all the patterns. Okay, so like I mentioned at the very beginning of the card, talks about the papers. These are all 8.5 by 11. So the first one is actually set up so you could fold it in half. So then this would be the front cover, and then this would be the back. And then the back side of the paper has this orange watercolor. And of course it says it's just a phase with the moon phases with the abstract floral overlay on the actual phases. And then you've got all these florals and the butterfly design. Then the next is the abstract moon with the florals and the dragonfly built in it. And then more dragonflies again with the overlays. And then the back side is more of this peachy warm color red. It's like a really light red, but it's definitely not pink. It's definitely more peach. Then this has got that same peach pattern in the background, but then it's got the celestial moon phases with the florals over it. And then on the back is a green watercolor. Then we've got florals. And on the back is like a more maroon toned watercolor splatter pattern. This one is probably my favorite, which is ironic because I really don't like green, but I just love the contrasting of the maroon and the pink, and then the actual like gold colored butterflies on it. It's not actually foiled, but it's like a foil print pattern, so it almost looks foiled even though it's not. It's absolutely stunning. That's my favorite for sure. Then we've got this repeating floral pattern over watercolors, and on the back is a light green. And then we've got some vellum, and it's got kind of a peach undertone with the butterflies. Actually, it was upside down. This is the printed side. This is the back side. Wow, the printed side looks so much better. That would make more sense. And then we've got the acetate with florals on it. So pretty. And then, like I said, we've got all these little extras. So this was actually just the backer for the washi tape. So the washi tape we've got here, this is the 10 millimeter, and it's got like an ombre effect of orange to pink with the black butterfly overlay. The next one has a floral background, and this is the 15 millimeter with black butterfly overlay. And then the last one is actually the moon phases, and this is a 20 millimeter with a black spotted butterflies and stars and dot overlay. So that is absolutely stunning. These are so pretty. I'm probably going to do a washi dashboard with this because they're just so stunning. I love this pattern so much. Okay, and then of course I wanted to show you the pen again. This is the rose gold pen that's featured in this month, and look at those gorgeous crystals. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, oops, I accidentally screwed off the pen. There you go. Look at that. Let's see. I'm gonna just... Oh, it writes so smooth. I love that. I wanted to make sure it was gel and not rollerball, and I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth and very black. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have to see if this works on the Hobonichi paper, because you know that paper is so finicky. But oh, it's so pretty. It's definitely gonna be a pen that I'm gonna keep in my A6, which is my go-to planner. Okay, next is the mini kit. And this, like I said, has 4 sheets in it. And like I also mentioned, I did have the digital kit and I did use it in my Hobonichi. So let me show you what I used in my Hobonichi. Okay, so in my Hobonichi, I had the digital, so I printed it out on my own sticker paper. So I used the headers that were in the mini kit. And I also used these boxes right here on the side. So these are the same boxes. And then I did use some of these flags in the mini kit over here. And then I also used these little check flags on here. And then this stuff right here, these boxes and then the washi strips, I created them myself using the digital kit. Since they include the papers, like I said, that one paper that's my favorite, this guy, I turned this paper into a pattern for stickers because I loved it so much. So that's what I did in my Hobonichi. But since I have an extra set in the physical, I will definitely reuse these. I will either use it in my A6 or in my print impression weeks. But they're stunning. And like I said, this is the really nice, buttery, smooth, weatherproof matte sticker paper, which I personally adore and I actually have myself. Then we've got the washi card, like I mentioned earlier. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love these washi cards. They're so nice. Okay. Then we've got the paper clip from Lily and Lolico. It is on a rose gold paper clip, and then it's got the rose gold butterfly. It has a tiny little rose charm with a little pearl. And then look, it even has like this clear ombre feather. Look, it's ombre. It's so stunning. I love this clip so much. It goes so perfectly with this pattern. And then the next thing are these bookmarks, and they're actually on really thick cardstock. So it's actually like almost like a glossy texture on the front and then a matte texture on the back. So this is actually like really nice cardstock. It's not just like some thick project paper. It's actually like really nice. These are gorgeous. This one's probably my favorite. I really like the moon with the overlay of the florals and the dragonfly and then the accents of the butterflies. That pattern to me is just like so pretty. And then the next bundle are the die cuts, again on the same really nice cardstock where it's glossy on the front and matte on the back. So this is stunning. I love this butterfly. Then we've got some floral patterns, some leaves, dragonfly. I love the florals. These are so pretty. I'm definitely gonna have to layer these. I actually might make a card out of these. I do like to give cards for birthdays. I like to make custom cards for birthdays. So these are absolutely beautiful for that. My mom would die if she got this. Actually, now that I'm talking about that, I am going to see my mom in a few weeks, so I will make my mom a card. A just because card. Because these are just so pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow, there's so much in these boxes. Okay, and then the next thing are these right here, which are the journaling cards, which would actually be great to do with the die cuts, to do layering with the die cuts on a card. Like, how stunning is that? Like, you can lay these patterns and create dynamic. Would you guys want to see a card making video? It's very simple. I've made cards for friends and coworkers before, especially ones who are like big fans of certain things. Like I made Harry Potter cards for my coworkers because they love it. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Oh, I love this one. I like this frame because then you can hand letter something in here and then layer die cuts on top of it. Gorgeous! So that is it for the journaling cards. And the very last thing we've got here is the sticky notes. So the sticky part is actually up here, even though the pattern is vertical like this. So the sticky would actually be on this side versus like on the top. Oh my gosh, I love it. And actually, I use sticky notes a lot in my A6 planner, especially when I'm trying to plan out my Instagram and YouTube content, because sometimes I want to do something a certain day and sometimes it doesn't happen. So what I do is I write on a sticky note, I stick it on the day I intend it to be on, and then if it has to move, then I can just pick up the sticky note and move it to the following day so that I don't write it down in pen, which you guys would know I don't like to write things down unless I know it's for sure, because I hate using canceled stickers because that's just not my thing. So anyway, that is it for my haul and unboxing of the Lauren Phelps Design subscription box. I hope you guys found this helpful and useful. And if you guys, like I said, are interested, I do have a coupon code. It is LPD Erica for 10% off. And so if you guys are interested in checking out the box, the October subscription is open. So make sure to go and check out the patterns that are out there. It's like comfort cozy, which for me is awesome because I love the fall season. Fall and spring are my two favorite seasons of the year. Winter and summer are just way too harsh for me. So I'm really excited about all the upcoming things. So anyway, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!